Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. As you guys may know, I like to use my Cricut to help me do my nail decals, and this is the set that we'll be working on today. I made this set for my little sister who is in esthetician school and therefore she cannot have nails all the time, and so this is a good option for her. She requested a Halloween ghost face set, and so this is what I came up with. And if you guys are ready to see how I did these, please keep watching and let's get started. Here I am on Cricut Design Space, and I am just going to start off by going into one of my old templates just so I have all the sizing. And the first thing I'm going to do is just clean up everything because all I wanted was to keep the template. I will be keeping Ghostface because we are going to be using that later, but I'm just going to save this as a new project so it doesn't write over my old one. Okay, and now we are ready to get started. And now it's just about adding images, and for that I like to go into Google Images and just find whatever I'm looking for. I've been seeing this heart spiderweb design that I really wanted to do, so I'm just going to look for a good picture and save it to my computer. Once your image is saved, we're just going to go back into Cricut Design Space and upload. I only want the stencil, so I will be removing the background, and I like to increase the tolerance just to make sure that I get nice sharp lines. And as you can see, all I'm doing is just clicking on the white areas and letting them disappear. Once you're done, you can preview and you can see this is how the cut's going to look, and we're going to save as a cut image. Now our image is ready and we can add it to our canvas. I do like this design, but I do want the heart to look bigger, so I'm just gonna get a heart from my shapes and just slice it out. And after we slice it, we can just delete all the inside and we have our bigger heart. Now I'm going to add more spider webs. This one I already had, but over here in the images, you can just type in web and filter out free stuff, and these are free for you to use. And here we can see how easy it is to use our shapes and the slice feature to create new designs. And so once we're left with this piece, we're just going to duplicate and flip it, and so we have two pieces. My spiderweb heart design was looking a bit thin, so I'm just going to hit offset and put 0.01. That way I can get thicker lines. And it's up to you how you want to design the nails. Now I'm just going to be adding some spiders and maybe a little bit more spiderwebs just to see what I like. And I do like to change the color of my background template just to give me a better idea of how this is going to look. But the great thing about designing your nails here is that if you don't like it, you could just delete it and try something different. I felt there was too much spider webs, and so I'm just going to go back into Google here and look for a different heart flame design that I've been seeing. And once you have your image, you're just going to upload it. I did save the first top left and the bottom right. This was the same image, just the bottom left part of it, and I'm just going to decide which one I want to keep. I still wasn't liking the design too much, and so I decided to slice Ghostface in half the same way I did with the spiderwebs. A cool trick you can do is to change your shape from basic cut to score. That way you just see the outline and you can see better what you're cutting. And now here we go. I think I finally like this design, and so now we can just move on and cut. Here I'm changing my project copies to 3 just to make sure that I have extras in case I mess up. Rearrange your images if you need to, and this is how they're going to be cutting on your mat, and I'm just going to be cutting under the vinyl setting. Here we have my nail tips nice and prepped. And this is what the nail decals look after cutting. And so I'm starting off with 2 layers of this pink gel color. Make sure to cure between each layer and then wipe down with alcohol before applying any decals. And so I'll just be applying all my decals to my nails, and so I'm just going to let you guys watch.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
And I do finish off by sealing in my nail decals with 2 layers of top coats. And so here we go. Here is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and also head over to my Instagram and my TikTok for a lot more pictures and videos of my work, and thank you so much for watching.